So let's talk about something that, let's be honest, most people find incredibly boring. But it's also one of the most critical parts of running a successful business, or even just managing your own personal finances, and that is accounting. Now, I know, just hearing the word accounting can make your eyes glaze over. You start thinking about spreadsheets with endless rows, complicated formulas, and the constant fear that you've missed a decimal point somewhere that's going to throw everything off. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? What if managing your money, tracking your expenses, and sending out invoices could actually be simple, almost, dare I say, enjoyable? Well, maybe enjoyable is pushing it a little bit, but definitely not the headache it used to be. The truth is, we're living in an age where technology has streamlined almost every aspect of our lives, and finance is no exception. The days of hoarding shoeboxes full of receipts and manually entering every single transaction into a ledger are long gone, thank goodness. Today, we have access to some incredibly powerful tools, the best accounting software, designed to do all the heavy lifting for us. These platforms can help you track every dollar coming in and going out, automate invoicing, prepare for tax season with just a few clicks, and give you a crystal clear picture of your financial health. Whether you're a freelancer just starting out, a growing small business, or even just someone who wants to get a better handle on their personal budget, there is a software out there that is perfect for you. So, in this video, we're going to break down my top 5 picks for the best accounting software in 2026. We're going to get into the nitty-gritty of each one, the features, the pricing, who it's best for, and, most importantly, how it can save you a ridiculous amount of time and money. Because at the end of the day, that's what it's all about. Working smarter, not harder, and keeping more of your hard-earned cash in your pocket. So make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get into it. Starting with the biggest name in the game. Alright, first up, we have to talk about the undisputed heavyweight champion of the accounting software world, QuickBooks. Seriously, if you've ever had a conversation about business finances, this is the name that almost always comes up, and there's a very good reason for that. QuickBooks, owned by Intuit, has been around forever, and they have refined their product to be an all-in-one solution that caters specifically to small and medium-sized businesses. It's the standard for a reason. It does everything from tracking income and expenses, sending customized invoices, managing and paying bills, and even running payroll for your employees. It's incredibly comprehensive. The real power of QuickBooks lies in its robust feature set and its scalability. You can start with a simpler, more affordable plan when you're just getting off the ground, and as your business grows and your needs become more complex, you can easily upgrade to a more advanced tier without having to migrate all of your data to a new system. That is a huge deal. They also offer detailed financial reporting that can give you insights into your business's performance that you just wouldn't see otherwise. We're talking profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, all generated automatically. For any business owner who wants a deep, granular look at their numbers, this is an invaluable tool. Now, it's not all perfect, because it's so feature-rich. There can be a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're completely new to accounting concepts. It's like being handed the keys to a professional race car when you've only ever driven a go-kart. It can feel a little overwhelming at first. Also, it's one of the more expensive options on this list, with subscription prices that can add up over time. But for a business that needs a powerful, scalable, and widely recognized accounting platform that almost any accountant will know how to use, QuickBooks is, without a doubt, a top-tier choice that you really can't go wrong with. Next on the list is a software that I really like, and it's given QuickBooks a serious run for its money over the last few years. I'm talking about Xero. If QuickBooks is the established legacy player, Xero is the cool, modern, cloud-native alternative. It was built from the ground up to be online, and that philosophy shows in its design and user experience. The interface is clean, it's intuitive, and it's just generally more pleasant to look at and use than some of the older, more clunky software out there. A lot of people, especially those who are more tech-savvy, tend to gravitate towards Xero for this reason alone. One of Xero's standout features is its incredible bank reconciliation. It pulls in your bank and credit card transactions automatically, and then it uses machine learning to try and match them to your invoices and bills. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, and it can get to a point where reconciling your accounts takes just a few minutes a day. It also has unlimited users on all of its plans, which is a fantastic feature. So, you can give access to your business partner, your bookkeeper, and your accountant, without having to pay extra for each seat, which is something that can get very expensive with other platforms. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference. The ecosystem around Xero is also a major selling point. They have a massive app marketplace with over 1,000 third-party apps that integrate directly with the software. This means you can connect Xero to your e-commerce store, your CRM, your project management tool, whatever you're using, and create a seamless workflow where your data syncs automatically across all your systems. Now, similar to QuickBooks, it's a subscription-based service, so it's not free. But for businesses that value a beautiful user interface, strong collaboration features, and endless integration possibilities, Xero is an absolutely fantastic option that is right up there at the top. All right, let's shift gears a little bit. While QuickBooks and Xero are fantastic all-rounders, our next pick, FreshBooks, carves out a very specific niche, and it does it exceptionally well. FreshBooks markets itself as accounting software built for owners, and it really shines for freelancers, consultants, and service-based businesses. If your business revolves around billing clients for your time and expertise, you need to pay very close attention to this one. The entire platform is designed around making the process of invoicing and getting paid as simple and painless as humanly possible. The invoicing capabilities in FreshBooks are, frankly, best in class. You can create beautiful, professional-looking invoices in seconds, customize them with your own logo and branding, set up recurring invoices for ongoing projects, and even send automated payment reminders to clients who are, let's say, a little slow to pay. It also fully integrates with online payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, so your clients can pay you directly from the invoice with a credit card. This simple feature can drastically reduce the time it takes to get money into your bank account, which is a massive win for cash flow. But it's not just about invoicing. FreshBooks also has incredibly simple and effective time tracking tools. You can track your hours directly within the app or through a browser extension, and then with one click, pull all of that billable time directly onto a client's invoice. No more trying to remember how many hours you worked on a project 3 weeks ago. It also has great project management features, allowing you to collaborate with clients and team members all within the platform. While it might not have the deep, complex accounting features of a QuickBooks, for service-based entrepreneurs who prioritize invoicing and getting paid quickly, FreshBooks is an absolute game changer. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Graham, these all sound great, but they all cost money, and I'm just starting out. My budget is literally zero. Well, for you, I have the perfect solution, and its name is Wave. And when I say it's the perfect solution, it's because the core accounting, invoicing, and receipt scanning software is completely 100% free. Not a free trial, not a freemium model where all the good stuff is locked behind a paywall. Free. And for that reason alone, it is an incredible resource for freelancers, solopreneurs, and very small businesses who are just getting their feet wet. So how do they make money? Well, they make money when you use their financial services, like Wave Payments, which allows you to accept credit card and bank payments from your clients. They take a small, competitive percentage of the transaction, just like Stripe or PayPal. They also offer payroll services for a monthly fee. But if you don't need those services, you can use their excellent accounting and invoicing software for absolutely nothing. You can connect your bank accounts, track your income and expenses, send unlimited customized invoices, and generate financial statements, all without paying a dime. Of course, there are some trade-offs for that price tag of $0. The feature set isn't as deep as the paid competitors. It doesn't have sophisticated project management tools or time tracking, and the reporting is more basic. Customer support is also more limited. But let's be realistic here. For someone who's just starting a side hustle or a small freelance business, Wave provides an unbelievable amount of value. It gives you a professional way to manage your finances from day one without adding another monthly bill to your list of expenses. It's an amazing starting point, and for many, it might be all they ever need. Last but certainly not least, we have Zoho Books. Now, Zoho is a fascinating company. They don't just have accounting software. They have an entire suite of over 50 business applications that cover everything from CRM and email to project management and human resources. Think of it like a business version of the Apple ecosystem, where everything is designed to work together seamlessly. Zoho Books is their accounting arm, and it's a powerful and surprisingly affordable piece of that puzzle. If you're the kind of person who loves having all your tools under one roof, Zoho is incredibly compelling. The real strength of Zoho Books is its automation and integration within the Zoho ecosystem. You can set up workflows that automate tedious tasks, like sending a thank you email after an invoice is paid, or creating a new project in Zoho Projects when a client estimate is accepted. The level of automation you can build is seriously impressive and can save you a ton of administrative time. If you're already using other Zoho products, like Zoho CRM, the integration is flawless. Your customer data syncs perfectly, and you can see a customer's entire financial history right from their CRM profile. Even as a standalone product, Zoho Books holds its own against the competition. It has strong invoicing, expense tracking, and inventory management features. It's also very well priced, often coming in cheaper than comparable plans from QuickBooks or Xero, and it includes features like project tracking and time tracking that you often have to pay extra for elsewhere. The main consideration is whether you want to buy into the whole Zoho ecosystem. If you're just looking for a simple standalone accounting app, it might be overkill. But for a business that wants a powerful, integrated suite of tools to run their entire operation, Zoho Books is an outstanding and cost-effective choice. Alright, so there you have it. My breakdown of the top 5 accounting software options for 2026. From the industry standard power of QuickBooks, the modern design of Xero, the invoicing focus of FreshBooks, the unbeatable free option from Wave, and the all-in-one ecosystem of Zoho Books, there is truly a perfect fit for every type of business and every budget. The most important thing to remember is that there is no single best software for everyone. The best software is the one that aligns with your specific needs, your workflow, and your financial situation. Don't just pick the one with the most features. Pick the one that will actually make your life easier. My advice is to take advantage of the free trials that almost all of these companies offer. Spend a few hours, or even a few days, playing around with the 2 or 3 that sound most appealing to you. Connect your bank account, create a test invoice, run a report, get a feel for the user interface, and see which one clicks. Investing a little bit of time up front to make the right choice will save you countless hours of frustration and headaches down the road. Getting your financial systems in order is one of the most powerful things you can do for your business, and these tools make it easier than ever before. Ultimately, the goal is to spend less time buried in spreadsheets and more time doing what you actually love, growing your business, serving your clients, or just enjoying the freedom that comes with having your finances under control. I really hope this breakdown was helpful for you. Now, I want to hear from you. What accounting software are you currently using? What do you love about it? What do you hate about it? Let me know down in the comments below. It's always great to see what everyone in the community is using. As always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.